In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Payroll, how to reconcile employee reimbursements via expense claims. 5 minutes. We'll start inside Xero, log in, then head to accounting and open your chart of accounts. You're going to create a temporary holding spot for reimbursements, often called a suspense or clearing account. Click Add Account, choose the current assets type, give it a clear name like Employee Reimbursements Clearing, assign an account code and description, and save. This account is just a bridge. It holds the expense claim amount until the payroll run posts, then it returns to zero when everything matches. Next, go to Payroll, then Payroll Settings, and open Pay Items. Select Reimbursements and click Add. Create a reimbursement pay item that employees can be paid through. Link this pay items account to the clearing account you just created. This link is the key. When you add the reimbursement to a pay run, the accounting will post to the clearing account rather than straight to the bank. If your region requires it, confirm the reimbursement is set as non-taxable and excluded from super or similar contributions. Now move to purchases and open expenses. Review and approve the employee's expense claim. Make sure receipts are attached, the supplier or employee contact is correct, and any tracking categories or tax treatments are accurate so your reporting stays clean. Head back to payroll and select pay employees. Create a new pay run and add the relevant employee. In their pay details, add the employee reimbursement pay item and enter the approved claim amount. Finalize and post the pay run as you normally would. At this point, Xero records the reimbursement to the clearing account you created. Return to the employee's expense claim and purchases bills and record the payment. For the paid from account, choose your clearing account. This mirrors the payroll posting and reduces the clearing balance by the same amount, setting it up to zero out. When the payroll payment lands in your bank feed, reconcile that bank transaction against wages payable, not the clearing account. Your payroll disbursement clears wages and related liabilities, while the reimbursement has already been matched via the clearing account. To confirm everything worked, open the clearing account and check that the balance returns to zero after both sides post. If a balance remains, double check for amount mismatches, duplicate entries, or a missing paid from selection on the expense. That's it. Your reimbursements are cleanly captured through expenses, paid through payroll, and reconciled accurately.